being a king, he requires no court to confirm him. For him to be a king, he must be born a king, and he was born a king. The rest is just logistics. We greet all the traditional leaders, ondabezitha, amakosi nezinduna, bonke abantwana basendlunkulu, undunankulu kaZulu, tulasizwe Buthelezi. We respect you as a Prime Minister of a Zulu nation. We are not ignorant of your political affiliation, but we respect the King's decision and we shall follow his side. Sithanda ukubambisana kakhulu nenkosi Tembe and inkosi Ximba. We take this opportunity to greet and salute all the regional leaders here in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, everywhere in South Africa, Africa, the continent, and the entire world.